This is the new Alcatel One X for 2019. At $120, it might be the most affordable phone you can get with dual rear cameras. I'm Rich Brome with Phone Scoop, and this is a very quick look at Alcatel's most affordable phone for the US in 2019. It's a pretty straightforward phone. The real story is simply the value. What you get for just $120 is downright impressive. The dual rear cameras enable a nice portrait mode with a blurred background, and you can even adjust the focus of portraits after the fact. The new One X carries over the 2:1 display shape and fingerprint reader that made last year's One X so compelling in its class. But it upgrades to a 5.5-inch display size with HD resolution, another spec not normally seen at this price. The battery is also larger, and there's more RAM, which lets it run a full version of Android instead of Android Go. The phone looks and feels smooth and solid. The back has a unique texture that's slightly rough, and it wraps around the sides on the bottom half, delivering a nice little design touch that's also very comfortable to hold. The new One X will ship globally in just a few weeks, including in North America. Phones like this have been popular with Metro and Cricket, so keep an eye out for it there.